Welcome back. Well, as always, we have some great information for you from Cheryl Stritch and Sharon Rosen about Tales from the Woods and the old pro stuff, right?
That's right.
All right, well, we're going to jump right in because we know how you guys just can't wait to hear all the juicy gossip. Okay, so Tales of the Woods, what is going on?
Okay.
Well,
There's some good stuff.
So much good stuff.
Okay, so go ahead.
Well, this next episode, episode 5, when it airs, which is the next episode coming up, we're calling it The Show. There's going to be a drag show on it.
Oh my.
Yes, the show within the show.
The show within the show.
Okay.
What are they singing? What are you singing?
I'm still here.
Right. And we have a special guest performer.
Okay.
And I don't want to tell you who it is, but he was very good.
He
was very good, and he's waiting, very enthusiastic. He brought all his friends to watch.
From the Rainbow Club.
From the Rainbow Club.
Oh, that doesn't give it away. Okay.
And there's a proposal to be a fake fiance on this episode.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. That's episode 6. Episode 7. That's episode 5.
Okay.
They all start to merge.
Yes.
Episode 6, we introduce a new hunk. Our old hunk, Ajit, had to move to Toronto.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
There were issues. So he
Okay.
moved to Toronto, and now we have a new hunk.
Oh, right.
Who's really hunky.
Yes, very
Okay.
Very cute.
Okay.
But we're a little worried about him.
Yeah, we're not sure we
We're
trust
not sure
him.
we trust him. There's some issues, and we are very concerned about gorgeous men preying on wealthy women.
Wow. Okay.
Does that ever happen in Laguna
Never
Woods?
happened here.
Never happens anywhere.
No,
Right,
no.
right. So we're a little worried about that. And then there's going to be a death.
Oh no.
Yes, well, soap operas.
Yeah.
Right, there always has to be a
always
death.
There's going to be
But
a death.
but the long rule of soap operas, now I'm not telling you anything that I don't know because I don't know.
Right, we don't know.
But we don't know. But on a soap opera, if the viewers don't see the body,
They're not really dead.
They might not really be dead.
Oh, right.
Right.
So they might make an appearance somewhere down the line.
Somewhere later, we don't know. This
okay.
isn't anything we know, but there will be a death of a main character.
There's
oh
a death
my
of a main
gosh.
character. And then we're going to need, actually,
I was going to say, does that mean that you're going to have a new character
A new
come
main
in at
character
some
will
point?
come
we're
in.
going to have a
yes.
new main character. Oh, we're actually introducing in episode 6, we're introducing a new main character, one new main character. Episode 7, another new main character.
Oh, wow. So you guys are really just
Yeah,
ramping
you'll
it
be-
up. There's
yeah,
gonna be
we are
a whole
ramping it up.
neighborhood.
Yes.
Right. And
Wow.
we are
All
going-
kinds of women, all kinds of dynamics.
Yes.
We're going to be having a memorial service.
Okay.
And we will need people.
Yes.
Oh, right.
To
the
come be
extras.
the mourners. We need
You need
people
the
to be
extras.
the mourners.
The
Yes.
mourners.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, we need the
Okay.
mourners in black. It's going to be an outdoor memorial service.
Okay.
So we're going to be putting the call out to people who want to be an extra in our memorial service.
Okay.
Which will be very proper. Well done.
Sure.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, always, juicy stuff. I hear you have a good following.
Yeah.
People are watching.
People are watching.
People are watching.
Okay.
People I don't know are stopping me at the market and telling me they like the show and when's the next episode?
Oh my goodness.
It came out in this last episode about Ajit. What did you say about him?
Oh, I'm sure he wouldn't be insulted if I said he was a great lay.
Oh my Lord. The things I hear on this show from you guys.
So now,
oh my goodness.
He apparently, and now he's in Toronto. We've sent him
character
to
is.
the character has been sent.
Okay.
But Ajit lives in Laguna Woods, and
Oh.
apparently he's being stopped quite a bit.
Oh my. See, this is where you cross the line. You don't know the difference between the reality and, the fake reality.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Well, so fun. Well, I'm glad you guys are having a good time with that and you're getting a good following and you're
Yes,
giving
yes,
something,
yes.
some people some good laughs.
Yes, we
right?
are. Yes, thank
All
you.
right, and then you have something coming up with the old pros. What do you got?
Well, this current meeting, which is going to be on next Thursday, at Clubhouse 7, we're having a Woody Allen perspective. We're going to be showing movie clips. It's June 13th. We're going to be showing movie clips of this top 10 shows. There's going to be a 5-minute buyout. We're going to have a quiz with prizes, and they're good prizes.
Okay.
So you ought, if you're not a member, please come. You'll really enjoy it. And we're also going to have a Woody Allen skit directed by Sheila Bielka. So that's going to be kind of cute. Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. So I'm sorry, you're going to be showing clips of the movies, and then after each clip, you're going to have something, or how are you going to
It's
set
going
that
to
up?
be the clips are all going to be
Like a clip show.
a clip show.
Okay, and then at the end, you'll have some questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so you're going to have to pay attention.
You'll have to pay attention,
Okay.
and if you want to win the prize, which I've heard good prizes.
Okay.
Then you gotta bone up on your Woody Allen information.
Okay. Now, is there a charge to participate if you are not a member?
If you are not a member, it's $3.
Okay.
So
All
it should
right.
be nice.
And there's a little snack, not much, a little
Okay.
snack.
Well, I mean, overall, just real quick, overall, what are some of the things that people should be expecting in an Old Pros meeting as a whole?
That's very interesting because our Old Pros meetings are about to really take a change for the better. We are going, starting in January, we're going to be moving to Clubhouse 1.
Okay.
Our time is going to change. It's still going to be the same date, the second Thursday of the month, but our time is going to change. We'll be able to start our meetings between 6:30 and 7.
Okay.
So we'll be planning to have a coffee bar.
Coffee and dessert bar.
Coffee and dessert bar, and we're looking into possibly doing a dinner theater once or twice a year
Okay.
in this venue. And we'll be showing, we'll be having mini shows.
Doing live performances of
doing
different
live
scenes or
yeah,
short
right.
plays or what.
Because that's really what it's all about,
That's
right?
really what
Is
it's all
performing.
about.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
performance.
So the meetings will always be a show. The club meeting part is like 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's 5
Okay.
minutes.
And then the rest of it is
The rest
performing.
of it will be
Okay.
fabulous entertainment, which we already have, but this will be a continuation every month. So we'll basically be doing a show a month.
Okay, so if anyone wants to come and learn more about it,
Right.
they can come to the meeting,
Right.
Yes.
listen,
Right.
ask
Right.
questions, and then
Right.
watch the
Right.
performance.
Some of it will be readers' theater, so you don't have to memorize if you want to perform,
Right.
or radio shows where you definitely don't have to memorize.
Right.
We are going to be doing some more radio shows this coming year,
Oh, fun.
which have
Right.
always gotten a great response, where
Right.
you see the sound effects people doing
Right.
all the
Yeah.
noise, and it's so
Right.
much fun.
Right.
That's great. That's great. And I know we talked about this before. Your backgrounds are
Oh.
both of you are both doctors.
Right.
And here you are performing all the time, both
Right.
now retired and having a good old time, right?
Well, and before we were doctors, we were both in the performing arts, so
Right.
it kind of goes
Right.
up, then it goes.
Right.
Well, good. Well, I'm glad you guys are having a good time.
Thank you.
And we'll look forward to the next episodes
Oh,
of
I'm
Tales
sure
of the
you will.
Woods. Oh,
yes.
I'm sure I'll hear all about it.
This next one is hot stuff, baby.
All right. All right. Well, thank you both for being on.
Thank
It's
you,
nice to
Lisa.
see
Thanks,
you.
Lisa.
And remember, look for the latest episode of Tales of the Woods that will be coming up on which date? Do you know? We don't know
We
yet.
don't know yet.
So stay tuned. We'll be right back.